Hi, everybody. I'm here to answer some questions about ageless creativity, self-expression, and self-portraiture. A lot of people are wondering if it's all about self-portraiture. Well, no, it isn't. It's about, I've had a great deal of creative renewal in my 50s, and I expect that creativity to keep renewing itself as I age because of the way I'm approaching creativity. And it's really about that. I use self portraiture and self expression as a means of explaining that to you. So there are probably, we do 3 or 4 different rugs in the videos. Um, and in those rugs, sometimes they're like, well, this is one of the rugs that we do, and how this can be when you look at the work of some artists, their self portraits are not always just a picture of them. Though we do that in the video. We do a couple small self portraits if you want to. You don't have to, but sometimes it's more self expression and sort of showing yourself in the way that you see yourself. And a moose is one of my icons, so you can see that right behind me. That's what I mean when I say self portraiture and self expression. The other thing I want you to know is that, like all our other courses, you can do this course whenever you want. The videos are all recorded. You don't have to do it between the 7th and the 18th. We're going to release them, and then they're going to stay there for you. And you can take the course whenever you like. On the 18th, we're going to do a Zoom retreat together and a hook in together. And if you can't attend that, the hook in will be recorded. So I just wanted you to know that it's like our other courses. You can take it and do it whenever you want. We're letting people pre-register now and save $50. So if you want to join us, now is the time. Today is the 1st of February, so we have a week left. And the course is about creative renewal, I think, and as we age, and the importance of creativity as we age. And that's really the main theme of the course. And I'm excited about it. It's a course I've been making for a long time. I've interviewed a lot of people, I've read a lot of books, and I've put together this beautiful series of videos for you so that you can experience the same kind of creative renewal that I've been experiencing. So thank you. It's at hookingrugs.com. It's $249. There's over 8 hours of video in it, and there is a over 100-page PDF, which are my personal journals about creativity and aging that I've been writing for the last 3 years. So that's your questions answered. Ageless Creativity. It's available now at hookingrugs.com. Join me.